Hey guys, my name is Cameron, the YouTube fans, and today we're going to review of a Bissell Zing bagless canister vacuum cleaner. And let's look at the model numbers. Yes. The model number is 6489C. If you're not sure it's your model number vacuum cleaner, it's right here on the bottom. You could take a look. So instead of winding up a cord, it has an automatic cord rewind, just like a Hoover Wind Tunnel T series rewind. Let's just pull out and see what we could do. Alright, the power button's right here, and let's see how it performs. Now watch it wind up quickly. As you can see, Bissell Zing bagless canister truly outstanding vacuum performance. So, which canister vacuum do you prefer? Me, it's gotta be Henry HVR 200. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleaner videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next video.